Brothers, just how keenly can phones be? Let me show you today. Samsung's TriFold is perfect for bosses. Hey, that's an old face up ahead. Wait a sec. Hello.
Hi. 收你吵。
Tang has grown quite well now. Okay, let the boss check the phone.
You've got it now.
Yes, even better than you.
Cut this out. Do not air it.
Hello brothers, hey everyone. Today Pantong will show you the first Android TriFold phone. Put a Pantong Splayer on the chat and Mr. Na joins in the first launch event together. Li Qian Na Yan takes one more leap. The Samsung TriFold is said to be tough to grab. Just getting to try it in hand is no small feat. Looks first, let's check the form. Brothers, what are your first impressions? This design, this feel, could it be called a phone world luxury? It doesn't go for the usual business look, but rather a bolder, more futuristic design. Unlike rivals' accordion-style designs, this one features dual display panels. The first time I've seen a phone like this, it's incredibly slim when unfolded. Let's measure it. The thinnest side is under 4 millimeters. Thicker, I'd say it's about 3.9 millimeters. Even when folded up with an extra screen inside, the thickness is still quite slim indeed. The CEO just slipped the phone in his pocket without spoiling his coat flare. And thanks to this outer screen, the design allows you inward folds, just fold both sides inward. From the side, it's G-shaped folding like a Swiss roll. The biggest plus here is surely its durability. The delicate foldable screen is fully enclosed and shielded. The outer screen lid used when folded is Corning Gorilla Glass for someone like me who drops phones often. It feels much more reassuring to hold. With such a stylish phone in hand, would anyone want to hide it in a case? And surely bosses would want to keep it slim, light feel too. So the body material choice is quite key here. Titanium hinge cover paired with reinforced armor aluminum frame. Sounds pretty sturdy and reliable. This hinge is said to survive over 200,000 multi-fold tests. If folded 50 times daily, it lasts over a decade, far beyond when bosses usually swap their phones. Once unfolded, it reveals a 10-inch screen. Awesome! A tablet-grade display with minimal crease visibility. Dual display supports up to 120 Hz adaptive refresh with 1600 nits peak brightness. Samsung screens have always been reliable, vivid hues and sharp, detailed visuals. In terms of performance, it features the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip. Besides work and business, bosses need rest to set, life and entertainment matter as well. This spec handles heavy games with ease. Its performance and compatibility stand out among similar products. Big screens need matching Capcode app boost workflow. Fits triple fold displays with easy layout tweaks. When I'm on a business trip, if I want to post a video, just triple fold shoot and drag it into edits. When editing, clips, timeline, and preview all on-screen boost efficiency. Editing still needs large screen splits. Use case the Galaxy Z Traveler supports ultra-thin splits. Switch between two apps, search for restaurants, check map locations. All in one screen. And Samsung's use of big screens goes beyond these tricks. Launch Samsung DeX here. Is like desktop switching on PCS, with each desktop running up to 5 apps at once. With so many tasks at hand, you can now handle them all in order. And if you have an external monitor now, this desktop cloning and extending feature feels quite like a PC. IC is highly useful for productivity. The imaging system uses a 200MP main lens, whether bosses for scenic views while on business trips or snap docs and meeting group shots on the fly. 200MP handles all things with ease. And with its huge screen, viewing images is a real joy. Zooming in to see fine details is crystal clear. Let the boss snap a photo for me once more.
Let me snap a few.
You can do it! When taking photos, the outer screen previews, big screen, clear preview, easy tweaks. No more worries about bad shots. Got complaints, huh? Great shots guaranteed. Today though, my hands-on time was brief. I could still sense the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold's reliability and innovation. From G-shaped folding guard to multi-screen collaboration. Looks great and works well. Bosses just pull out the TriFold from their coat pockets and can work on the go with ease and flair. And in the video, I'll ask the boss one more time. Come on, so after trying it out, what impressed you most about this Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold?
The top feature is surely its shape-shifting form. When you want it big, it can be big. And when you want it small, it can be small, fits different work scenarios.
Would you rush to buy this Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold right away?
Without a tablet, this one counts as one device that acts like two, so it's worth grabbing now.
Great, this time I can grab your new phone with my burlap bag again. Let me try it, we agreed.
I'm late. Okay.
Okay, thanks boss. Goodbye then.